Go ahead. It's gonna be great. It's not gonna break. It's a very.
I mean, I don't think it's gonna break. You can get in here for a nuclear holocaust, but it's just like. Okay, one. You ready, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Jeremy, back up. Like, honestly, you might get hurt somehow.
I'm just gonna try to see and make sure it doesn't hit the fence.
Oh no, bro. Johnson. He shouldn't do this.
You know what would be better? You know what would be better if you turn it to its side.
The only problem is it's really hard to get up.
Hey, if you turn it to its side so it doesn't. No, because right now when it's gonna fall, it's gonna boof, boof. So if you turn it to its side, it'll just boof, and then slide a little bitty roll.
Like this?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta go. You gotta go. Can you show you how to do this? Yes, sure. Alright, right now? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's together still.
I told you that was gonna happen. What did I say?
Are you totally
I said pieces are gonna go
Are
everywhere.
you totally insane, man?
At least it gave daylight a lot of shit.
Oh my god. You two are so dumb.
That was the dumbest thing you've ever done.
You two are so stupid. I mean, what is wrong with you, man?
What did you think was gonna happen,
We'll come down and help clean up the mess now.